Hi, Rocky. When will I become a millionaire? Wow. It says becoming a millionaire depends on your income. To be honest, this caught my attention yesterday because when I was walking by, I saw a pretty amazing device
Thank you.
that I would love to try out. I've seen a couple of AR glasses in the past. I've seen the Meta Ray-Ban, and I'm wondering, could this be a competitor to the Meta Ray? How does this differ from every other AR glasses outside?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think, for example, people familiar with the Meta Ray-Ban glasses, but again, I think for the Rokid glasses, this is the first one which has a display, the camera, and the speaker all in one. Before, there are two categories. You know, the glasses are either missing the display or the glasses they are missing the camera. So the Rokid glasses, I think, is the first one to have all the features, all the functions all in one glasses.
Oh, that's brilliant. And another question is this going to be a standalone device, or do I need to connect it to my smartphone, or do you have another device that this has to be connected to?
Yeah, so currently for our glasses, it features a full Android system. However, to preserve the power, we try to leverage the cell phone, the computing power from the cell phone. So this way, this makes sure you are able to use the glasses for a long time or long hours. So for example, like when you take a camera, when you use a camera to take photo or video, you do not need any of the cell phone. But let's say when you do the AI processing, etc., so it's better to synchronize the data to your phone and let your phone process because you already have some processing power in your pocket. So this way you can use your glasses much longer. So that is more like the product design, it's not a limitation.
Oh, that's nice. Yeah, another thing is, most of these glasses are meant for play. Like, can you use it for work or for everyday purpose? Is it just only going to be used when you maybe you want to take a picture, you want to record a video, or can it be a normal glass you use every day?
Yeah, I'll give you one good example. For example, like I tutor my 11-year-old kid, right? So they ask me all kind of questions. Sometimes I'm driving. I cannot answer them. I cannot go to Google. I cannot provide my phone. But for now, it's very easy for me. I can say, hi, Rokid, what is the answer for this question? Okay, so I make up. Okay, so it's very, very, very helpful. So now the kid think like, I know everything. So which is good because
maybe you're a walking ChatGPT.
Yeah, so it's not only walking or it's like I literally have an assistant with me anytime.
Oh, that's brilliant. And in terms of pricing, is it more expensive than the other devices that we know, like the Meta Ray-Ban? How do you compare in terms of pricing?
Yeah, this is the way we look at it. So first of all, you will get a normal glass, so it looks like the normal glass, right? Also, you have like the teleprompter, it's an AI teleprompter. You have also action camera, AI assistant, everything combined, right? So, if you are separating or the earbud, if you're separating this one, like probably you're gonna spend $200 here, $300 there. But for all-in-one for this one, we are only selling for $600.
Oh, okay, $600.
Yes.
That's pretty nice. And in terms of rollout, is it currently available to purchase, or is it going to be in the future?
Yeah. So currently, the product hardware is already pretty finished, very, very finalized. We are working with some key partners to polish the software experience. So the mass ship out will be in the November, roughly November to December 2025. But currently we are on Kickstarter, so people already be able to do the Kickstarter early campaign. So our backer, they are able to get like $100 off.
Oh, okay.
If they're support us right now.
I would like to place an order for one, because like I said earlier, I make content around gadgets, around AR, around wearables, and it's one of the things that my viewers are so much interested in viewing. And my last question is, in terms of IP rating, like how resistant is it to water or to drop? Is it water resistant?
Yeah, so currently like those glasses, they are not water resistant. We do not suggest you to like
so immerse it in water, yeah.
But let's say for like light rain or something, it should be okay.
Okay, just mild wet area.
Yeah,
okay.
Mild, yes. Because again, this is like there's no similar category in the past, so those are not like certified for water resistant.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. My pleasure.
Yeah, and I would like to try it out now, so
Please.
again. So let's break down the major technical pillars enabling this transformation. On-device AI and neural processing, advancements in ultra power, Advancement in ultra-power NPUs allow interference to be performed locally on glasses, minimizing latency and reducing reliance on cloud computing. Technologies like quantized neural networks and transformer model distillation enable state-of-the-art models to run efficiently on glasses. Sensor fusion and environmental reception. AI glasses rely on an array of sensors, IMUs, cameras. I think this is okay. All AI glasses rely on an array of sensors, IMUs, cameras, microphones, depth sensors to understand the wearer's environment. Fusing these data streams in real time requires advanced SLMA algorithms, audio-visual synchronization, and situational awareness through AI-driven classification. Real-time vision understanding.
Hallo, ich bin Matthias. Wie geht es?
Oh, he says, Matthias, how are you?
Ja, so I can't read this translation, obviously.
Oh, okay.
But wenn ich etwas über das Wetter erzähle, dann kannst du das verstehen?
Well,
Es ist sonnig heute, schönes Wetter, blauer Himmel.
Wow. Okay, I can see you asked me were you when I tell you something about the weather,
Yeah.
then you can understand that.
Ja.
Oh.
But maybe I'm speaking too fast. That's maybe the point.
It's okay. You can continue, speak because it's an AI model. It
Yeah.
will capture everything.
Okay. Also ich erzähle einfach weiter auf Deutsch, was alles passiert. Und ich gucke interessiert, ob das schnell genug übersetzt.
It's a beautiful weather, blue sky. I hear that.
Ja, okay. Und diese Brillen, funktionieren die gut? Würdest du die kaufen? Würdest du so eine Brille kaufen? Ist das eine gute Sache?
He said, beautiful weather, blue sky. So I'll tell you to continue the story in German.
Ja.
And what's happening, I'm interested to see if that translates fast enough.
Oh, wow, this is the past.
Oh Gott, was soll ich denn alles erzählen? Die IFA ist in Berlin jetzt 101 Jahre, seit der Gründung 101 Jahre vergangen, aber natürlich nicht 101 IFA, weil ein paar IFAs ausgefallen sind in Deutschland durch einen großen Krieg.
Oh, you're asking if I would like to buy the glasses. Buying glasses like that's a good thing.
Ja, okay, das ist ein bisschen langsam, ne? Etwas delayed, ja, okay, gut. Ja. Also die Zeitverzögerung zwischen dem, was ich sage und dem, was bei dir ankommt, ist recht groß. 30 Sekunden, 40 Sekunden, ja, 30, 40 Sekunden. Und, aber du kannst ganz gut sehen, was hier übersetzt wird. Ne? Und das ist qualitativ gut.
Das ist qualitativ durchaus in Ordnung.
Ja.
Okay, you're saying IFA is in Berlin now, and it's
Yeah.
100 or 100 years old.
Yeah.
Ah, that's good.
There's a bit of gap between what I'm saying and he's recognizing what's coming up, but yes, it's good. That's good. That's
To
good.
be honest, I don't expect the system to work 100%, but over time it's going to get better.
Sure.
But it's so amazing because I can literally understand what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yes, most of the time when I go out,
Yeah.
I can't hear what people are saying. So.
And I think, to be very honest, the delay is depending a bit on the AI model and so on and so forth, data connections.
Yeah.
So I guess if you optimize this, you get less latency. Yeah,
Oh,
so,
brilliant,
Yeah.
brilliant.
Really cool.
Cool. Thank you.
Can I try one?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
would love to.
maybe you can put here. There's one more function I want to show you.
Yeah,
Okay.
And after
go
that,
for it.
we're good.
Okay, yeah, let's-
So there's another one. So you can long press here or say, hi, Rokid, what in front of me? Try some questions.
Okay. Hi, Rocky. What's in front of me?
Ja, das wird man wahrscheinlich, da muss es wahrscheinlich eine eigene Engine geben. Vor allem für Grazer. Das ist ja schon mal vor Jahren.
It's just analyzing.
Yeah, 1 second.
Oh, you are an indoor.
Aber so. Ja.
Jedes 20. Wort hat er mal.
Wow, brilliant. It's
this
actually
is
telling me
AI
what's in
model?
front of me.
Ja.
You will be able to say, hi, Rokid, take a look. What's in front of me?
Yeah.
Or help me to translate this to French.
Okay.
If you are looking at the menu in the restaurant.
Ja.
Yeah, it's telling me several people are gathering around, and the environment looks like a tech environment.
Ja.
It says there's a screen showing product demonstration, and promotional material.
Yeah, you can ask any questions. For example, I say, "Hi Rokid, what is the distance from the moon to the sun?"
Wow.
Yeah, now you are expert on everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, what you do is you can use Hi Rokid, or you can just do this.
Hi, Rocky. When will I become a millionaire? Wow. It says becoming a millionaire depends on your income.